Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be comparing two very popular ultra-wide gaming monitors in 2026, the Samsung Odyssey G5 and the LG Ultragear 34-inch. Now, both look amazing on paper, but which one is actually better for gaming, work, and everyday use? Let's just find out in today's video. So first of all, let's talk about the screen. So both of the monitors are 34 inches wide and curved, which means you get a very immersive experience. Games feel bigger, movies look cinematic, and multitasking becomes very easier. For gaming performance, the Samsung Odyssey G5 is known for its very smooth gameplay. It has a high refresh rate and fast response time. So fast shooters and the racing games feel super smooth with less motion blur. The LG Ultra Gear is also very smooth, but where it really shines is the picture quality. The colors look brighter, sharper, and more realistic. Now, if you like gaming plus watching movies and editing the videos, LG looks more premium in terms of comfort and build. Both feel solid. Samsung mainly focuses on the gaming speed, while LG focuses more on overall visual quality. Now, if we talk about the pricing, you can check out the details about their pricing on their official website. So here, Samsung is usually cheaper and it is going to give you great performance for the money that you pay. Now, if we talk about LG, LG costs a little more, but you are paying for better display quality. So you need to remember that. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.